Don't start a YT channel, do this instead. YouTube is changing. It is not what it used to be in the past. You have must seen this low effort channel in your feed more than ever before. If you stick till and I'll show you how you can just replicate it and get 10x revenue a month ASAP, which all your gurus and creators are started doing without even telling you. Look at this channel. These are some of the successful channels that I have seen on my feed this morning. Look at Charlie Morgan. He went from highly produced business videos to literally just sitting in front of camera with just pure delivery. Charlie Morgan used to have about 268,000 subscribers, and now he shipped onto a new channel which has just about 10k subscriber, and he's posting more content on the business channel rather than his main channel. So, what is compelling all these creators to just start a new channel with just no editing and just pure delivery? Iman did the same thing. Jordan Welch did the same thing. And most of the new channels are implementing this strategy, which I'm going to show you, and is completely working in their favors. But before I show you how you can just do this, you need to understand the one thing that separates the creators from making $100,000 month or $1 million month from ones who are just making nothing from YouTube, which is to validate that will it work for you. So here's how to just validate that will it work for you or not. Step one is the niche test. You need to find what I call a high intent niche. Here how you can just actually find the niche by just answering this problem. People should already spend like money to solve that problem that your offer is solving in your particular niche. There are existing successful creator in your space, and the audience has to have a clear outcome what they want. Go to YouTube and just search your niche. Like if you're just selling maybe a copywriting thing, right? So just go on to YouTube and just search copywriting course or just copywriting coaching. And when you just search about copywriting, you just find the videos that are already successful, like the free course out there, and you can just see like how many views these copywriting courses are getting. This course just get about 800,000 views, and it is on 24k views with just 2.3k subscribers, and you can just see it is 76% outlier. Outlier is the video that has performed like 10x or 100x or 50x more than the usual views on the channel. So outlier we can just say is the best video of the channel. So this one has performed 76 times the average video on this channel, and this video has performed 8.7 times. So like people are searching for this. People are here to just learn copywriting. So like you can make a high value coaching or a high value funnel from this copywriting. So if you just see ads, if you see creators with hundreds of thousands of views talking about the same thing, you got the validation. And step two just come with the authority check. This is critical. You need to have something that gives you credibility. It doesn't have to be huge, but it has to be real. Like these creators, like Charlie Morgan, had agency results. Eamon had his successful business. Jordan has YouTube wins, and they are just implementing that thing onto their new channel to just get the high paying clients out there. Like they are just behind the rich people on their low intent channel. And maybe you just have like five clients to get results. Like maybe you just did video editing for five clients. That's enough for this channel to just go on. Maybe you have just built something for yourself too. Maybe you have a unique perspective from your previous career. That's like the major thing we want to for you to just start the channel. So, step three, the demand validation. Here's the ninja move. Go to the comment section of your biggest competitors or your biggest creator of your niche and look at the question that the people are keep coming with. So, those repeat questions, that will be the content of your cold mine. Like here, you can just see people have commented, Tyson, can you just make a video on email outreach? Me and other copywriters have hard time building looking credible IG profile, but to the hundreds of reason personally, I don't like to post pics of myself cause kids in my school would see. So email outreach is the best option we have, and I'm quite lost. So here you can just see like people like him know copywriting, just know how to get results, but they don't know how to reach with email outreach to the copywriting clients. And I don't think anybody has just captured this market. So you can just create like email offer and just email related content, but just add copywriting into it. And these types of viewers will just hop into your video like crazy. And now here's like where most people just mess it up completely, and it's different between getting 1,000 views and 100,000 views. These creators figure out is something I call like effortless authority. Here's the framework, like the three pillar system. You can just implement it right now after this video. Pillar one is problem focused content. 50% your bread and butter is this. These are the videos that I call out like specific problems for your audience has. Title example like why your strategy isn't working and do this instead. So that's what I creating. Don't start a YouTube channel. Do this instead. The biggest mistake I see like copywriters making right now, making in 2025, that can be a super duper title to just make a video on. And I wish someone told me when I just started copywriting. This is also a great example to just go over. You can just check out YouTube, you can just search on YouTube, or on the main page you will just have these outliners. You can just make these outliners into your industry. And the pillar 2 is story driven result. This is where case studies or your client journey, your client wins, client result, but the key is always lead with a lesson, not just flex. And the pillar 3 is your attention grabbing content. You go against the common advice in your niche. Be willing to have an opinion that 20% of people will disagree with. And this is the best example of this. The blueprint of making money on YouTube from day one. You don't need subscribers. So people in the niche, like they are growing YouTube and they think like I need subscriber to just get my first deal. I need subscribers to make money because then I will just monetize my channel. But this video is going against what most people think, and that's what compiled this video to get 1.6 million views in just 10 months. And if you need any help with YouTube and want to learn what's the best method that's exactly getting my client results, book a call. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.